Well, I did. Is it hot? Maybe, maybe not. It's hot, isn't it? Yes! Hot Kool-Aid. I can put some ice in it if you like. Oh, no, I'm not thirsty. Papa, I'm not gonna drink it. I made this for you. No. Drink it! No, I want you to drink this. I'm not drinking it. Drink this right now. I'll pour it on the floor and I'll blame it on you. Oh, yeah, real mature. I made this for you. Now why don't you grow up? I did. Because I love you. Well, I'm not gonna drink it. I hate you. That's all I ever hear anymore. Brother, try this. Brother, try that. Remember that? What was it? Cinnamon toast and, what was it? Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Good idea. You didn't make a single pound. I made a pound of cinnamon toast with mayonnaise. And don't forget Rocky Road Tabasco, right? Yeah. Was that 3 hospitalized? Yeah, 3 women hospitalized. Drink it all, hot Kool-Aid. There's so much left of it. What am I going to do with all this hot Kool-Aid? Drink it. No. Yes. No. Brother. Yes. Please. Okay. That's pretty good. Yeah, I like that.